Hello, I have two unboxings. The X-Men Bell Pyra and Dayan Tengyun 2x2. So, yeah, thanks to Yuji Yoshida, owner of Puzzle Supply Central, for sending these. So, comment down below. Thank you, PSC, or else your cube will be dry. Yes. So, I guess I'll try the 2x2 first, because my old 2x2 main sucks and it's dead because it just catches a lot. Okay, nice box. Put it in the side. The parts box. Ooh, I was gonna say it's an accessories box, but if the box is gonna identify itself as a parts box, then I'm gonna respect its opinion, right? Okay, pamphlet how to solve. Springs. Okay, I'll put these on the side for now. So, okay, let's try the 2x2. Is that, yes? Okay, so that's a good thing. The logo is actually stickered, so hey, that's a good thing. So first thing I noticed, it has that feel, like I think others said it's a matte feel, but yeah, I can actually feel it. It's not the normal feel. And so first turns. Oh damn, that is quiet. That is actually quiet. Damn. It's fast, but ooh, spring noise. That's not a good sign, but anyway, it's fast, it's good, and like I said a while ago, I got this because I don't have any other good 2x2 besides the Zinghen, and I killed it, so yeah, it's a good 2x2. It's the corner cutting. Oh, I think it cuts anywhere. Yeah, it cuts anywhere. Reverse. Yeah, it also cuts anywhere as well. Oops, maybe not there. It took more force than what. Okay, that is quite loose actually, but yeah, performance is good. Magnet strength for this, it's like just above medium, but it's not too strong at the same time, so that's a plus. It's smooth, quiet, and maybe that's a good thing. I don't know. Maybe I'll loop this sometime. After all, you can hear a lot of the spring noise. So yeah, so I'll try the Pyraminx. Okay, now for the X-Men Bell Pyra. Oops, I killed the box. Shoot. Okay, nothing here. Pamphlet. Extra mags. Yeah, extra mags. Put this at the side. So, okay, is this stickered? I actually can't, okay, it's an old puzzle, so I don't know what to say. I guess I'll just say it's oily. And I wanted a stickerless bell because my stickered one's dead, and the performance is also dead on that one. So first turns not really. Hooray, it turns smoothly. That's a good thing, because you don't want that from a cube that's alive, right? Yeah, tips. Yeah, I will forever love these tips. I mean, like, it's even good for B moves. B move tip tricks. It's fast, and I can't really describe the feel about. I can't really describe the feel of the Pyra, but yeah, the click is good. Well, you really want that, especially for puzzle that. In my opinion, because I'm a flick turner in Pyra. Corner cutting, do you even need it? I don't know. Oh, this one cannot cut corners, I guess. don't know. I guess there. Pretty sure every other channel has already discussed the magnet strength of this cube, but it's like, it's strong, yeah. Stronger than, let's say it's good for flick turning. Very good cubes. These two are good. These two are good, and especially for, actually no, I forgot what the prices are, but yeah, these two are good. So I'll say good selection of cubes I got today. So yay, thanks for watching, I guess.